Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Tatjana from Garnet Beauty and Art, and in today's video we are going to do something magical. So I have pre-mixed already my resin, which is 1:1 ratio. I normally leave my resin for 5 minutes to just rest, so it helps with the bubbles. And we are going to use today 4 different colors plus some crushed glass. So I just adding some resin in the middle of the coaster, and I have 4 small cups as well on the side where I will be mixing my colors. I always go over with a heat gun or torch. It's really helping with the bubbles, so your coasters will look really nice and smooth. So for the first color we are going to use a pink pigment paste. It's quite heavy paste, so I normally add just 1 or 2 drops, and make sure you mix it really well as well, so we don't have any lines in there, and color is really good mixed and will look really beautiful in our design. As you can see, color is really nice and solid and deep. For the second color I'm going to add my black color, and this is a black pigment, and again just need few drops. Depend what brand are you using. Some colors can be quite see-through, some colors really solid, so my color is nice and solid, so I just added just few drops. And for the third one we're going to use a mica powder. Again, just adding just a little bit, about 5 to 7 grams. With the mica powder, make sure you really mix it really well, and when you do it, start slowly, otherwise mica can go, powder can go just everywhere. And mix it well so it's all good mixed. And for the fourth color we're going adding our ocean white. As you know, it's really like a heavy paste, so you need like basically half of the drop, and again mix it really well. I'm just adding a little bit more of the clear, so all our coaster is covered with a clear color, and some color still left clear in my pot because we will need it for the end result, like a finish to add in our middle. Going over with a heat gun, helping with the bubbles, and we're starting with our pink color. Just start pouring it on the side of the coaster, and I will be going over a few times until all my resin is gone. Try to do it nice and slow, and you can go over a few times. Don't worry about putting the color in like each corner, because normally the color will spread and get to the corners of the coaster. And just adding all my pink. And for the second one we are going to use a black color, and we are just going to pour it in the middle of the pink in one line, and I will go over a few times, and just to try to go over just on one line, so in the same place, until all color is finished. And for the third color we are going to use our mica, and with this one I will pour it like in a small line. Sorry, make sure you go over with the heat gun and to remove all bubbles, and it will help to color start spreading as well. And for the third one we're going with a mica powder, and I will do it in like really small line, and we'll go all over again, and not just in one place. I will just do randomly on a black color lines until all color is gone. And for the last one, it will be our beautiful white. And with the white color, I will just do it in one quite thick line, and we'll just go over in same place I done the first one again until all color is gone. And I've just dribbled some of the white. You can quickly just take a wooden stick and mix it before it's get to the bottom of the mold, and just pouring rest of my clear resin in the middle. And I will go over again with a heat gun and torch. I normally do both of them, combination of the torch and a heat gun, to make sure we're all bubble free. And we're going to add some crushed glass in the middle. Now I have mixed already in my small pot 3 different crushed glass, so I'm just going to add them in the middle of our coaster, and I will use a spatula just to help spread the colors and make them go closer to the middle. And go over with a torch again, and we're all done. And look how beautiful it's already looking, and I just can't wait till the morning and to demold it and see the final result. Thank you very much for watching. Please continue and stay tuned until demolding, and subscribe, like, and see you shortly. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Hello everyone, and welcome back. And today we are just going to demold our beautiful mold we done yesterday, and let's have a look what we've got here. So this is just a result on one side, and I can't wait to open and to see what is on another side. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Right, are you ready? Let's see. Oh, I love it. Look how beautiful it's look. Look at this beautiful color blend. And the middle, this middle is quite see-through, but there is some pink color inside as well. And the combination of the glass is really nice and looking really good. And oh, I just love it. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it is. I like this side as well, it's really nice. But look, I just love it. Have a look. Sorry, my cat is crying at the back. I really, really love it. Look at this. Just amazing, really beautiful. And this is just a rest of resin what I had. I just done a beautiful small angel, and as usual little beauty as well. I really, really like it. I hope you like it as well. Look at this amazing effect. I hope camera really can focus and show you all beauty of it. Oh my god, these colors is just amazing. I'm in love with this one. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next videos, and see you soon. Thank you. Bye now.